What up, YouTube? You know what it is. You know who it is. If you don't know, now you know. It's the Ginger 31 to be exact. Check me out. Check me out. Alright, so look, basically what I'm finna tell y'all is I finally got my shit. I finally got my shit. What shit we talking about?
The shit. The shit.
Y'all know what shit I'm talking about. Alright, let's not waste no more time.
Damn, I'm thirsty.
You know, we've been waiting on this stuff for how long now? Honestly, don't know. Actually, let me see. Let me check it out for y'all, man. Had this app, so they delivered one app, and I didn't get the other piece of what I needed, right? I have got my fast text stuff, which was nothing but, you know, put some stuff on there for the decals. I got some side markers. Shit. What else we got? All right, so this is what we was looking for, man. So let's go ahead and show you. I don't know, but here is a little some of it right there. Oh yeah. This is what I got, y'all. Some straight up louvers for the whip. Gotta change up, man. There's too many black Camaros out here, and I want to change up and be my own man. So yeah, not only did I get the rear window louvers, I also got the side louvers too, or whatever, so I can actually, I'm gonna place this one on here. But I put that one on there. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like right here. I think I'm gonna get these joints painted. I know I got fingerprints all on it and stuff like that. But yeah, man, I'm feeling this. And I'm gonna put my rear louvers on the back, have these on here on the side, quarter panel joint. Man. A little cosmetics, man. Just a little bit. All right, so let me know what y'all think about the louvers or whatever. Really don't give it down because it's my car, but anyway. Yeah, I done let this motherfucker get dark outside. Some other shit going on too. Beyond all of that, me and old man's gonna put this mug together, so. We're gonna do all that shit together, man. Like I was saying, I got a lot of stuff going on, man. I gotta get some new tires, so it ain't gonna be no racing for real no time soon. I need some new tires put on. Still currently thinking if I want to go up to 305 or not, you know, radials 305s. Oh, hey yo, whoever in the area, where can I get them louvers painted at? I need to get them painted gloss black, so if anybody in the area, let me know where I can get them painted at. I need that done too. Shit, not only did I get my louvers, I also plan on getting the wraps sometime this winter time, you know, sometime this year, maybe the end of the year, I don't really know. But I'm gonna get something, you know. I'm gonna get a wrap. And I also need me a daily, dog. I can't keep driving this mug like all day, every day. You heard it? Yeah, I need me a daily. Currently probably gonna get me a Blaze or some little truck or some small car, but before we start getting all this snow, hey, I might have to bench this mug straight up. Pull up to this quick trip, get some of this 93 up in. You know, car likes to eat 93 or drink 93. You dig? Find me a pump and get to pumping. We here. yourself some 93, you dig? Man, what I'm doing hearing sirens out here in this neck of the woods. I don't be hearing shit, but she thirsty, man. Thirsty. Must be a chase. Must be a chase, huh? On that highway. Yeah, they on the highway with it. 38 bucks. Don't need no receipt. We're at 38 bucks. Let's close this. 38 freaking bucks. Get back to the gig. I gotta figure out where I'm gonna get this thing painted at. Not only that, me and my old dude gonna put it together. He don't really know that yet, but hey, I'm gonna find us something for us to do, some father-son time, you dig? Got that good fill up, 456 miles to a gallon. I love these cars, how they hop up to like V4 mode. See, right now I'm getting 99 miles per gallon, but that's only because my foot ain't on the gas, you dig? Hey, but shit, I want to thank y'all for tuning in, man. Got a couple of Chevy haters on here, but I ain't nothing, man. Hey, I appreciate all of the support, everybody that watched my stuff. Appreciate it all. Thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm gonna get up out of here, dude. Head back up in here. I'm late off a break.